Good day, sir. We are Group Arcadia from NW3A, and today we will be demonstrating our simple 2-input calculator using the 4 basic math operations. So first, we created our 4 functions under the category default operator. So here is our addition, subtractions, multiplication, and division. And next, we added 3 integer variables, input A and input B, under category default in here, and our input B, and our answer under the category output. And now we will enter values for input A and input B in the editor. So when we click add, the answer displays the sum, and when we click divide, the answer displays the quotient, and when we click multiply, the answer displays the product, and when we click subtract, the answer displays the difference. So as you can see, the answer updates correctly based on the chosen operation. That would be all po. Thank you.